So if you take your time with the purchase of the jersey, you could go faster on the bike and therefore faster in life.
Exactly that.
Hello people, today we're diving into the sporty and sometimes sweaty world of cycling jerseys with creator, model and cyclist Duke Kwadwo. I'm your host Leah Gunlami and this is The Perfect X. So Duke, tell me about yourself, tell me about your love for cycling. When did this all start?
My dad taught me how to ride a bike. I had some trouble with the stabilizers and stuff. And it's a thing where I was like, okay, cool, I really want to get good at this and kind of open up my world.
Literally in terms of the distance you could travel on a bike or mentally?
Both.
I love that. Yeah. I mean, you tie it into kind of being a mental health advocate as well. Tell me about the peace that cycling has brought you.
Through some of my hardest times, cycling really got me through.
Yeah.
But then it turned into a thing where I was using it as a crutch rather than a tool.
Yeah.
So I started being more open about my mental health because it made me stop laughing cycling. Like, I love this thing, you know?
Yeah.
What?
Exactly. You don't want to use your sport or your hobby as something that's tied to like making yourself better all the time, because then you relate it to the hard times, right?
Exactly.
And you want it to be for the good times, because cycling can bring you joy like nothing else.
Honestly, it's the best sport.
How do you feel about the intersection of kind of streetwear and cycling jerseys? They're really becoming a trend at the moment.
I love it, honestly.
Yeah.
Because it calls to two different spaces.
Yeah.
And the fact that you're going to meet in the middle with certain things, and it's a way to express yourself in a different kind of way.
And makes it easier for you because you can step off the bike in your cycling gear and still be bang on trend.
Exactly that.
What should people be looking for in their first cycling jersey?
It's performance first and foremost, and comfort. Because when you're comfortable, you feel like you look good too.
Yeah, I think that's true. And how many pockets? Do you need pockets? What do you use your pockets for?
I love a pocket.
Okay.
And pockets for snacks.
So when day turns to night, are you worried about the reflectiveness of your tops, your jerseys?
100%. It's always important to be seen.
Yeah.
And I pick jerseys based on like reflective logos and tabs and things like that rather than looking like a highlighter.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want the whole thing to be glowing in the dark. Cool look,
yes,
but not necessary.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about the most scenic cycle you've ever been on?
Stuck between Austria and Switzerland.
That's a nice place to be stuck between.
Yeah.
You're not stuck between a rock and a hard place, you're stuck between the Alps and the other one. Where were you in Austria?
Dolomites.
The Dolomites, the Alps and the Dolomites. And when you were going through the Alps, you kind of had like the ups and the downs, and like, how did your cycling jersey help you get through the cold weather to the warm weather?
It kept me protected and whipped all the sweat as it should have.
Yeah, just take it all away.
Of course.
Did you have more than one jersey on?
Yeah, I had two. One, so wearing one going up, two going down.
Why is it colder going down when you're going up?
Because you're not working as hard, that makes sense. And then because you're going so much faster because you've gone so high, the wind chill, the speeds, it just, it's
like you're covering your whole body on the cold setting of the hairdryer and just getting blasted. Okay, honestly. I know exactly what you mean. Are you ready for the best part of the show?
Let's do it.
Full zip or half zip?
Full zip.
Bright or muted?
Bright.
Patterned, yes or no?
Yes.
Mesh panels or solid fabric?
Solid fabric.
Waist gripper or no gripper?
Waist gripper.
Visibly branded, yes or no?
No.
Quiet luxury, I like it. Would you wear your jersey off the bike, yes or no?
Yes.
Finally, Duke, down the camera, could you tell the people at home what makes the perfect bike ride?
The perfect bike ride starts with great weather, great friends and great food.
That's amazing. What are you guys doing watching us? You should be on your bikes right now in a cute little cycling jersey. Thank you so much, Duke, for joining me. I've been your host, Leah, and this has been The Perfect X. We will see you next time. Bye.